Tired of manually fixing fonts every time you open a workbook? Let's fix that for good in just a few clicks. First, let's turn on the Developer tab. Click File in the top left corner of your Excel window. Feel free to pause the video at any step and follow along at your own pace. In the menu that opens, click Options near the bottom of the list on the left. In the Excel Options window, select Customize Ribbon from the list on the left side. On the right side, check the box next to Developer, then click OK. You'll now see a new Developer tab on your ribbon. Next, let's create your personal macro workbook. This hidden file stores your macros and loads automatically every time Excel opens. Go to the Developer tab. Click Record Macro. In the dialog that appears, click the drop-down under Store Macro in. Select Personal Macro Workbook, then click OK. Excel is now recording. Right away, click the small square Stop Recording icon in the top left corner of your screen. That's it. Your Personal.XLSB file now exists. Here's the macro we'll use. It only applies to the actual data on your sheet, using used range, so it runs faster than targeting the whole sheet. Want a different font? Just rename Arial to whatever you like. Don't worry about typing this out. The full code is in the description box below this video. Pause here and copy it from there. Now, click the Developer tab. Click Visual Basic to open the VBA editor. You can also just press Alt plus F11. In the project window on the left, find VBA project, Personal.XLSB. Right-click it, choose Insert, then Module. Take your time here. Pause if you need to find it in the list. Paste the code you copied from the description into this new module. Close the VBA editor. We're almost done. Back in Excel, go to the Developer tab. Click Macros. Select SetFont from the list. Click Run, and watch every font on your sheet update instantly. One last thing, let's make this a single click. Right-click anywhere on the Quick Access Toolbar at the very top of your screen. Almost done. Pause anytime to keep up. Choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. In the Choose Commands from drop-down, select Macros. Find your font fix macro, click Add, then OK. Now it's pinned right at the top, ready anytime you need it. Now, any messy sheet is one click away from fixed. Follow for more Excel automation tips. Thanks for watching.